In this video, I'd like to share 3 things that you must not do if you're serious about wanting to progress your career and take it to the next level this year. Firstly, you must not be scared of problems. Problems are inevitable. Your Excel file may be corrupted. Your computer may crash at the wrong time. You may not have enough time to finish a deadline. Your customer may change their requirement in the last minute. Your boss may be upset. Your colleague may be ill and can't deliver their parts which you need to finish your work. And your competitor may be taking your market share, so on and so forth. Problems can come at any time and ruin a perfectly crafted plan, create unnecessary headaches, stress, and sleepless nights. Most important thing to do is to firstly tell yourself not to suffer in silence. You may not be able to fix all the problem yourself, and it's okay. In fact, you don't have to fix all the problems alone by yourself. You can talk to someone, your colleague, your team, your manager, your partner. Learn to open up. Brainstorm the solution, risk an opportunity together. And every time I open up and share my problems with others, I'm always amazed at how brainstorming does wonder to problem solving. I also told myself that every single problem is an opportunity to shine. It's an opportunity to polish our problem solving skill. It's an opportunity to gain great satisfaction from fixing the problem. And in fact, the greater the problem, the greater the satisfaction that we will get in the future. Looking back, all of my proudest achievements in the last 10 years all started as big problems which initially caused massive headaches to me and to the organization, but in the end, it created an opportunity to shine. If you want to get ahead in your career, remember, the higher up you are, the more problems you are likely to face. Therefore, you need lots of practice opportunities so that you will have the capacity and the confidence to solve more problems in the future. Now, let's move on to the second things that you must not do if you're serious about wanting to progress your career, and that is you must not be afraid to ask questions. There are 2 situations when people are often too shy or too scared to ask questions. First is during meetings. When you don't understand something that was discussed in a meeting, how often do you just sit there feeling confused but too scared to raise your hand to ask questions and say to yourself, are these stupid questions? Am I the only one who don't get this? What if other people think that I'm stupid? Let me just ask somebody else after the meeting. Let me tell you a secret. By asking questions, you are not only providing clarity for yourself, you're also helping others, as there are bound to be somebody else in the meeting who are probably too scared to ask questions. But most importantly, if you don't fully understand the terminology or the context of the item being discussed, you won't be able to fully tune in and positively contribute to the subsequent discussion in the meeting, which is essential if you want to be taken seriously and if you want to take your career to the next level. The second situation, when you may be too shy or too scared to ask questions, was in one-on-one situation when you get asked to do something by your boss or by your customer. Let's say your boss come to you and say, please give me a report showing sales by branch for this month versus last year. Are you the type who will quickly run off, grab and produce the report and say, here it is? How often do you take a moment to pause and ask questions first before charging away? For example, you can ask, is everything okay? Why are you suddenly interested? Is there anything that is concerning you today? And your boss may say, yes, I'm hearing that coronavirus outbreak may be impacting our sales, and therefore, certain branch may even have to close down temporarily. By asking clarifying questions, you can differentiate what your boss wants versus what he needs. He said he wants to see a sales report, but what he needs is to find out the impact of coronavirus to our sales level. Therefore, you can tailor the information that you provide to him accordingly by stripping out other factors that may cause fluctuation in sales, such as new product launch, advertising campaign, the opening of new branches, etc. And this is what differentiates an okay analyst versus an exceptional analyst. Therefore, when your boss or customer asks you to do something, make it a habit to ask clarifying questions so that you understand the full context of the situation and so that you can tailor your response accordingly. Let's move on to the third things that you must not do if you are serious about wanting to progress your career, and that is you must not stop learning. You may have been working in your role or in your field, perhaps as an analyst for over 5 years, and you may think that you know everything that you need to know about your company, your work, and even about Excel. There is no more things to learn. You are wrong. The world is changing. Our customer needs are changing. Even Excel is changing. We have new way of doing things in Excel that was not available 5 years ago. So if you are still doing things the old way and not aware of the faster and easier way of doing things, then you're putting yourself at a disadvantage compared to other people. You may end up wondering, how did they manage to produce quality insights with charts, tables, so quickly and so beautifully? What's their secret? The secret is to never stop learning. Invest the time to learn something new every day so that you don't get left behind, as the world won't stop evolving. Excel won't stop evolving. Power BI won't stop evolving. Your customer won't stop evolving, and so does your competitor. So let me finish off by recapping the 3 things that you must not do. First, you must not be scared of a problem. You must not be afraid to ask questions, and you must not stop learning. If you make a conscious effort to work on these 3 things, I'm sure that you will be on your way to progress your career journey and take it to the next level this year. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future video which get published every Thursday. See you next time!